Welcome to next lesson of video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now what we are going to do in this lesson, right? See here in this program panel, right? Preview window, right? I will play the video. See, video is started. You can see the image, first one, right, in this corner of the video, and similarly play, and after some time you got another image here, right? So video is going on, right? So how we can achieve this, right? So in this video you will learn how to do this, right, by using first track video is this one, V1 is this one, right? In V2 I have kept this image, and in V3 I have placed this image, right? Now how to do that? Okay, let's start. Go to our main sequence that we are working on, right? And then let's delete these. Okay, now we have this video right here. We have this video here, right? Now let's bring image, right? You can see the bin here, right? And you can go back with this up, right? Up, you are seeing the images here, right? Let's go to list view. You are seeing images here, right? Expand that. These are the images that I used, right? So let's bring this image, right? Set the position at first where to get that image, right? And click, drag and drop, right? So we got the image, right? But image is taking all the space of the preview window, right? Our video is behind that, right? Here is the track of V1. We placed that image in V2, right? So this image is covering that V1 content, right? So similarly, let's increase the size of the image, right? Length of the image. Just increase the length of the image by clicking and dragging it, right? If you want more, you can increase like this. If you want less, you can decrease like this, right? By clicking it. And second image is this one. Let's bring this to V3, right? Place here, right? So at first this image will come, and after that this image will come. Now you notice that V3 image is covering our V2 content and V1 content, right? Now let's work on V2 at first. So we have to scale this image, right? Double click. You can double click here, right? Make sure that you have clicked this one, right? And you are out, right? Out from this V3 right here. For example, when you go here and when you double click, then this image will be double clicked, right? So at first we want to double click and we want to scale this image right here, this one, right? So click that and double click here, right? Notice the position of the CTI, right? Double click, then you will get these corners right here. So you can click in any corner and you can scale like this, right? How much you want, right? Then you can move it to the particular section, right? One process is this, right? This is the one process. Now let's move to second image, right? That is in V3, right? Now it is covering our content, right? When you click this toggle track output, that when you go invisible, when we do invisible for V3 track, when you click that, then you'll see that those content, right? V2 content and V1 content, right? So, and next process is you can click this one and notice now new panel up here, right? Effect controls, right? Click that, right? Now you are seeing here scale, right? Scale. So it is 100% right now, right? So you can click and decrease it, right? Click and move towards left. Then you are seeing image is being small, right? Scale to small, right? So to increase, you can bring it to right side, right? In this way you can scale it. So, or also you can click here and you can pass the value, for example 40, and then enter. Now you can see the image in the preview window, right? So you can double click and you can go for it, or you can go to effect controls panel and you can scale it, right? So this is the way. Let's put it here, right? Place it here. Okay. So from starting initial point your video goes on, right? when you play it, right, then at this point the image started, right, you can see the image in the preview window, right. Similarly, when you go on, right, next image comes there, right. So this was basic about how to scale your image, or if you want to place video here, right, not images, right. For example, in V2 you want your video to be placed, or in V3 you want your video to be placed, or text content, right, you can place it, right. So this was about scaling, how to use different tracks, right, in your project. And okay, this is it for this lesson. Stay tuned for next lesson. Thank you very much for watching.